sisters and brothers and meet the lovers right here again in North Valley Forge, and we'll show you what we're doing today. We've got some like Aphrodite gates, but they're a little bit of an hybrid. They've got bits of wood in and, you know, panels, but we're on with all this stuff. So got some plates, laser cut. Gonna end up a bit like that, but he said at bars in we're gonna have some wood and stuff. Anyway, gas mark 6, as usual, piping off. But we've got these, and that's like big sword. So fishtail on that, and put a bit of detail in that. So we've got a bit of a nice finish on that. We're going to do it on all these plates here. We've got these bits for corners. They've all got fish tails on, so we just whack them in there. So anyway, also you've got the central scroll design. We're launching all this together because it's a smaller gate. We've had to draw it all out on floor for radius and circle and fit it all in, so we're just on with that, and I'm chopping bits of scrolls up. That's half of it, and this is the other half. So we've got bits of forest 25 by 10. I'm just blending all this in so it fits in nicely with shape and flooring and everything. We're doing this, and got a bit down here, a bit of scroll work, so it all looks like proper flush. Weld all that in, like so. Make sure it's all level. So today I'm just gonna voila, and that goes up to that bit, and that's how they're done pretty much. Also we've got some Rubik's Cube twists that are going into a sliding gate next week. What we do is get 20, back over here, I'm losing myself. Bit of 20mm, single groove. You've got like a little groove in that on all four sides. And what we do, mark it out every 10mm. Put a little knot just halfway through it. You do it all the way along on one side, and then you do it opposite side. Where I've marked it there, all the way along. So anyway, I'm not going to bore you with all that. We'll chuck them in forge, because like if you twist them like that cold, it's going to snap. So a bit of heat in it, get a bit malleable. These are called like Rubik's Cube, cuboid, twist, whatever they are like. One over 300mm. Whack him in there. Put him there. And put like 360. Just till that's level. Out. Straighten it out. Wow. So you've got like your little cuboids. Show you over here, we'll just clean them up. Now they look like that. So we've got a load of them going in gates next week. They're alright as handles as well, so we'll design them as handles. But what I really want to show you is this. If you've not seen it already, check this out. Come on, go up there. Are you ready for this? The Macallan's Distillery Gate. Make sure you get down to North Valley Forge and make it Bob Swift. I said it.